met the girl today. I couldn't believe it. First day flew around her, a butterfly on her shoulder. I saw her walking down the street, was like a dream. I gave her a flower, but she didn't need it, 'cause she's so sweet. First day flew around her, she's so nectar. A butterfly on her shoulder. I say I wanna talk to you and get to know you. She say she's got to go.
Okay, hi guys. We are on a 2-hour car ride headed up to Kilauea, and we're manifesting that the volcano erupts. We have some munchies and a Celsius. We've just been enjoying the drive, and it's been so fun. We're like a little road trip. Who gets to road trip in Hawaii? Never us. So we're excited. The volcano started erupting last night, and then it cooled down, right?
Yep, it stopped. All the geologists say it's primed for tonight or tomorrow.
So fingers crossed, it's gonna erupt and we're gonna see some lava. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, bye.
I wanna take her to my room, fill it with her sweet perfume, leave a note for her when I go. I wanna be her man, and I think I can, so I can hold her hand.
Gonna go see the mantas. Got sunburned.
Nectar, butterfly on her shoulder, so sweet. First day flew around her, so nectar, a butterfly on her shoulder, so sweet. Wish I was like the butterfly, so nectar, and close to her, so sweet. Wish I was like the butterfly, so nectar, and close to her. She's so sweet. I wanna be her man, so nectar. So sweet. Wish I was like the butterfly, so nectar, close to her, so nectar. Wish I was like that butterfly, so nectar, butterfly on her shoulder.
Yeah.
Big one.
Buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta. It was a buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa, brought to America, fighting on a